hike the mountains and there's footprints to be seen. We're in a land of isolation and the hikers are hiking. A raging storm is howling and I'd rather be inside. Got my raincoat on, but I'm still not dry. Keep pressing on, no time to quit. We don't want to become hypothermic. We know we're all a tad insane. Onward to Maine. Let it rain. If you try to stay dry, it's in vain. Let it rain. Let it rain. This weather system's here to stay. I don't care what the forecasts say. Let the storm rage on. The rain, it keeps the mosquitoes away.